Hey guys, welcome back. I am Aishwarya from Digital to Design. In this series of tutorials, we're going to learn everything from basic to advanced concepts in search engine optimization. In this session, we are going to look into what a seed keyword is and why it is important in SEO. In terms of keyword research, seed keywords are the starting point. Your client can explain their products and services, but they might not know exactly how their users are finding them in search engines. For example, if you are doing SEO for an air conditioner company, from the business owner's perspective, they will only know about their products. So the seed keyword helps us understand what types of searches are happening. Also, if we optimize a website using a seed keyword, the search volume will be higher and search possibilities will be limitless. For example, if we use air conditioner as a keyword, we can add a lot of words before and after it. This results in huge search volumes, making it very difficult to pull up our websites from massive search results. Identify the target keyword and feed it into the seed keyword. If we implement that keyword, you can rank more easily. Our client's goal is to increase product sales. So, we should decide what type of search phrase we are going to assign as a keyword. If you haven't chosen a proper keyword, it will not give good results. Basically, the seed keyword is a direct product name or direct service name. I hope you understand what a seed keyword is. Next, we'll see why it's important. If you select the right seed keyword for your business, you can follow many content strategies. By focusing on the seed keyword, many searches will happen. Using this seed keyword in the search engine, we can confirm user searches and optimize it on our website. This can lead to a solid market strategy. By directing your content appropriately, your keyword will rank well in search engines. With monthly search volume, you can identify whether keyword competition is low or high. If we do all this properly, we can attract potential customers to our websites. This can create good traffic to the website and increase sales. I think now you understand why the seed keyword is important. There are many free tools available online to identify seed keywords. Let's look at them. The first one is Google-related searches. We've all seen this. For example, if we search for air conditioner on Google, we see a lot of ads and search results. If we scroll down, the search engine will suggest things like air conditioner price, air conditioner 1.5 ton, and etc. Google itself provides these suggestions. By using this, you can optimize your website. The next one is people also ask. For example, if we search for air conditioner, there's a section called people also ask. A little further down. Here there will be questions and answers. Based on this, you can create content for your website. For example, if someone is searching for which EC type is best, your content may rank. If your business is suitable for question type content, you can prefer this. The next tool is Answer the Public. It's also a free tool. Open your browser and type answerthepublic.com. In the search box, you need to insert your keyword. And then, this tool gives a lot of possibilities of your keywords. We can search air conditioner on this website. It provides many results. Here it segregates search phrases for that seed keyword. For example, by adding phrases like how, when, and why, it shows searches in search engines based on the seed keyword. All these keywords have minimum volume. The next tool is Free Keyword Suggestion. Here I suggest one of my favorite websites, which is also completely free and unlimited. I have added this website link in the video description. Here we search air conditioner. You need to add some details and choose an industry according to your requirements. I am choosing home and home improvement. And then choose your country here. Then click continue. Wait a minute for it to generate results for you. Here you can see more than 500 plus results using your seed keyword. It also shows various parameters for the keywords to help choose the specific keyword. If any of these keywords are suitable for you, select that keyword. For example, we copy portable air conditioner and search again. It will give suggestions for your search. If it is useful for your business, by using this keyword, you can optimize your website. I have attached these website links in the description for you to use. I hope you understand what a seed keyword is, why it is important, and how to find a keyword using a seed keyword. If you have any questions or doubts, mention them in the comments and I'll answer as soon as possible. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Digital 2 Design. See you in the next tutorial. Take care. Bye guys.